Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Forex with Cody. Now, it's been a while since I've uploaded and I'm going to explain to you guys why. Now, usually I upload daily, a couple times a week maybe, depending on the trades that I take during that week and if I, in fact, take any trades that week. So there could be one video, there could be no videos, or there could be 5 videos if I take 5 trades within that week. So last week we actually had no trades, right? So it was a no trading week for me personally, and also for those in the private Telegram, which I have explained to my members and they understand, they know exactly what I'm looking for because I've dropped my strategy videos. I also broke down last week in the Telegram to them why I'm not seeing any trades for that week. And basically it was, the market for me, from my strategy, was in a pullback phase, right? Now we have, I'm a trend trader and I like to follow the trend and I like to follow market structure. So if price is overall bullish, right, from the time frames that I look at, so the 8 hour, the 4 hour, the kind of higher time frames, if the market or a certain pair is bullish and during that week it's moving bearish, it's in a pullback, then there'll be no trades for me, right? Because I'm just waiting for price to then continue bullish and continue in the direction that I want to trade, which is when then I will jump into the market. So a slow week last week, and I know some people out there, will get frustrated. I know some people on my YouTube live streams, when I live streamed, and when people would message me on Instagram and they'll say, "Why is there no trades this week?" Blah 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 blah. And it's very easy to get caught in that trap when you first start trading. You're very impulsive. You get FOMO. You're very impatient. You think that because you see this on Instagram and YouTube, people trading 24/7 a day, 5 days a week, taking 6, 7 trades, you think that's normal, right? But that is completely not normal. And depending on the strategy, but mostly you don't really want to be sitting at your computer all day taking 5, 6, 7 trades, right? That's not what we get into trading for. We get into trading because we want the freedom, right? The freedom to just analyze the charts for half an hour during the day, set your trades, and then go walk away and come back later and analyze and see where the trade is at, right? So it was definitely a testing week for some of the private members, but like I said, I explained to them exactly why. There was no trades last week and all is good. And this is normal for me, right? I've been through these phases many times before. These no trading phases, no trading weeks, it happens from time to time. Markets have to pull back and then markets have to continue, right? It ebbs and it flows, it goes up and it goes down, and sometimes it goes sideways. But we just have to stick to our analysis, stick to our strategy, stick to our plan and our goals, and follow it through. Right? Don't be an impatient, impulsive trader. Don't make bad decisions and don't make mistakes, because you are only going to regret it. And you're just going to sit there and think to yourself, I've made this mistake like 5 times now. Why do I keep doing this? I keep being impulsive. I keep getting FOMO. I keep just jumping into trades, even though I'm not confident in my analysis, or if I'm not seeing anything from my strategy, I'm still jumping in. Why am I doing that, right? You have to learn from those lessons. So with that being said, let's move into today. So we finally got a trade today, right? And this was gbpjpy, and this was based off current bearish market structure. As you can see, right, we have higher lows, which got broken over here, which created a lower low, right? Price pulled back and made a lower high, right? And also made a resistance in here and made that lower high in the market. And then price continued down, made a new lower low, new lows, new lows. And so when I saw price pulling back here for today's session, you can see this was yesterday's move down. We started pulling back overnight, and then today we started continuing bearish. And basically what I saw was the type 3 candle pattern bearish setup on the 4-hour time frame. This is how we get our entries Members, of course, know this this setup. And basically, we entered on the breaks of the lows, anticipating price to continue bullish based off of market structure from multiple time frames and based off of the bearish type 3 candle pattern price action setup. And so yeah, it was a beautiful trade. We had a 55 pip stop loss above these highs, and then we had a 55 pip take profit one, which got hit. And we took profits, of course. You can see right above me here, gbpjpy sell. This was the profits from today's trade. And basically I took some profits here once take profit got hit, and I moved stops to break even. And I also gave live updates to the private Telegram about this as well. So took some profits here, and then price came up and hit break even. So not bad results for taking profits off the table there. I closed half at take profit one and left half running. So that was the trade. Didn't quite come down to take profit two, but we got our move. We secured profits. We moved to stops to break even, and we got out. It's great risk management, great trade management, and great overall analysis and trade in the end. And I'll just show you the private Telegram real quick in here. You see here is the trade when I called it out. This was at 5:03 p.m. It's now 8:30. You can see there's the setup. You have stop loss, entry, take profit one, take profit two, all levels provided here on the chart. And I said today's gbpjpy trade idea, looking at a bearish continuation down into our TPs, move stops to break even once price is close to take profit one, right? And then as price, so that was 5:03. This was an hour and 40 minutes later. Close some profits and move to break even, right? So close some profits here, and move stops to break even. And then shortly after that, take profit got hit, and I took some more profits. So that was the total profits I ended up with once before price hit our break even. And you can see take profit hit one for 55 pips. All right, guys, break even just hit, got hit, so we're out of this trade. Nice 55 pips caught, and nice risk management to be now out at break even. This is my final profit for this trade, right? So 1,447. Decent, right? Pretty good. And we waited a long time for that. And you can see the market has just straight reversed from this point. So I'm just gonna delete that. But yeah, beautiful trade. Nothing much going on gold here today. We've had this massive spike in the market yesterday. Not sure what happened within here, but yeah, waiting for gold to set up for some sells potentially, to continue this move down into some of the lows down here. But we'll see what happens. Eventually I am going to be looking to buy gold. Sorry guys, based on the 8-hour and 12-hour time frame, I am going to be looking to buy gold, as it is very much in a nice uptrend. But all we're seeing now is we've got lows, highs, higher highs, higher lows, and now potentially price coming down to make some higher lows before it continues bullish, right? So I'm going to try and get some of this pullback, right? I'm going to try sell and get some of this pullback if the right setup comes, and then we're going to look to buy once the pullback has been completed. So that's gold. Not much happening at the moment because of this wick up. We've also got a lot of high impact news coming up on the US dollar. Job openings, we have sorry guys, we have NFP, and we have unemployment rate coming on Friday. So a lot of high impact news here on gold, and that's why I was more focused on GJ today and potentially the rest of this week. So that is the trade today. Beautiful sells on gbpjpy. Like I said, all called out live in my private Telegram. If you guys are interested in joining, hit the link down in the description below, and that will take you to my website. and you can check it out, see what I have to offer, read the description, see what my private Telegram group is all about. And if you're interested, come and join us and catch some of these trades with us. All right. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.